Good morning, all of you TYBSc physics student. We want to continue here. Our third chapter is free electron and band theory of metals. Summary of the last lecture we have to see here the energy eigenvalue and density of state in corresponding one-dimensional space. In this lecture, we want to see the energy eigenvalue and density of state in three-dimensional space. And last lecture we have to see here the formula of the Schrödinger time independent equation, which is considered as minus h cross square divided by twice m del square psi plus v of psi is equal to E of psi. So this formula, which is already seen in the last lecture, and using of this formula we have to calculate in was here. So energy eigenvalue in one dimensional. So today we want to see in three dimensional case. So consider three dimensional time independent equation. Consider three dimensional time independent Schrödinger equation, which is considered as minus h cross square divided by twice m into del square psi. Psi is a function of three dimensional, which is considered as x, y, z. So del square psi plus potential is depends upon the wave function, that is v of psi is equal to E of psi. So consider this is equation first. So minus h cross square divided by twice m into del square psi plus v of psi is equal to E of psi. Psi is a wave function, or that wave function which is considered as finite smoothly travel, and that does not cut for two ways. So that is the wave function property. There are different property we have to see in one separate lecture on this wave function, properties of the wave function. So where this psi, which is considered as psi is equal to psi of x, y and z, so that consider in three dimensionals. So that psi which depends upon x, y, z, that is three coordinate. And if we write in these terms of psi, so that consider as, so that wave function or this Schrödinger equation which is comes here, so minus h cross square divided by twice m del square, that is which I have considered in three dimensional, so that is dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square of psi plus v of psi is equal to E of psi. So that is considered as dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square of psi plus v of psi is equal to E of psi. So consider this equation number is 2. So this equation, and let us assume the electrons are confined in a cube having the with edge which is considered as, that is length of this three dimensional box, which is considered as L, which is shown in figure, and that electrons are free inside the box. electrons are free inside the box. So let us consider electrons are free inside the cubic box having length L. Okay, so that is considered here. So that is three-dimensional space. So that cubic structure which is given here, okay, so this is considered as a three-dimensional case. This is considered as x-axis, this is considered as y-axis, and this is considered as z-axis. That electrons which are free inside the box and having the potential, that consider V is equal to 0, and the dimension of length of this box which is considered as L, and this is the point O as the origin point. So for this region, inside the box, we have considered here, we have V is equal to 0, that potential in the box which is 0, so that is V is equal to 0 inside the box. And if we consider that potential is 0 inside the box, so this relation minus h cross square divided by twice m dou square by dou x square plus dou square y by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square of psi, this potential value 0, so that remaining equation will become here. So this figure which is considered as a three-dimensional potential box. Three-dimensional potential box. So that relation will obtain here, so that minus h cross square divided by twice m dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square of psi plus this potential which is considered as 0, so that is 0 is equal to E of psi. So we have to consider this equation number third. This is the equation number third, and we have to obtain this relation. So let us consider the wave function of psi which is periodic in the xyz with period L. So let us consider as the wave function psi be periodic. The wave function psi be periodic in xyz with period L. So that is considered as the function which is considered as periodic. So that is considered as this wave function, which is considered as psi of x plus L comma y comma z is equal to psi of x y z. So that is periodic with the x. Next point which is considered as this x plus periodic with y, so that is y plus L comma z is a function of again psi of x y z. Next, which is considered as this psi of x comma y plus z plus L is equal to psi of x y z. So this is the condition of the periodicity. So that is considered as the equation number 4. And depends upon this, we have to apply the boundary condition, and that boundary condition which is considered is equal to, as similar as the last lecture, we have to see the boundary condition in 1D potential box. So that time we have to assume that length x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. So in that three-dimensional case, we have to consider as the length x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. So that condition we have to satisfy it condition. So psi is equal to 0. So we have to consider here the boundary conditions are boundary conditions are, which is considered as psi is equal to 0 at when at x is equal to 0, comma y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Okay, so this is first boundary condition. And second boundary condition, which is considered as psi is equal to 0, at which consider that x is equal to L, y is equal to L and z is equal to L. So this is considered as the second boundary condition, and hence the solution of this Schrodinger's equation in the region of the box which is assumed to the standing wave type. So that standing wave type which is considered as the solution. So that is the general solution of this type of Schrodinger equation. General solution of this type of Schrodinger equation, which is standing wave type. Okay, and that type of solution which is considered of psi of xyz is equal to a sine of kx into x into a sine of ky into y into a sine of kz into z. So this is the solution of this type of Schrodinger equation, like standing wave type equation. So which is considered this, and here so that kx, so in last equation we have to consider as here, so that k is equal to n pi by L. So here we have to consider that kx is equal to nx pi divided by L, where ky is equal to ny pi by L and kz is equal to nz pi divided by L. Okay, and if we putting this value in above equation, so that relation will be obtained here, which is considered as which is considered as this equation will become here. So psi of xyz is equal to a sine of kx value, which is considered as nx pi divided by L into x into a sine of, or a which is considered as the normalization value, this is which is taken if we constant here, so that consider as this equation which is considered as a sine of kx sine of kyy and sine of kz z. So that normalization value take common for this equation, so that which like this. So this relation will give here, so sine of nx pi divided by L of x into sine of ny pi divided by L into y into sine of nz pi divided by L into z. So this equation which is right in this fashion. So here we have to consider here nx, ny, nz are the quantum numbers which can take only positive integer value. So consider here nx, ny and nz is quantum numbers having positive integer value. Having positive integer value, so we have to consider here, so this equation which is comes in terms of the corresponding form of energy which is given in, we have to know that in one dimensional, so that energy which is given as En is equal to n square pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square. So this is in 1D energy eigenvalue. Okay, and if we consider in three dimensional case, so that consider the energy eigenvalue which is considered as like this, so that constant term as it is, only n value which is considered as nx, ny and nz, so that corresponding form of energy which is given by corresponding form of energy is given by, so that En is nothing but E of nx comma ny comma nz is equal to, so that factor as it is, which pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square. So pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square, and this nx value which is considered as n value which is considered as nx square plus ny square plus nz square. So this is next equation number which is considered as, for example, fourth equation number. So this equation which is considered as the energy eigenvalue which is considered in three dimensional case, and this nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equal to n square. Okay, and you know that, so that k factor which is considered as in the k space dimension, so that is k square is nothing but what, kx square plus ky square plus kz square. Okay, so in that value we have to putting this equation, so that's why we have to consider here, so that value which is considered as that En is equal to pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square into n square. So this is considered as the equation number 5, and this equation which is considered as the energy of an electron inside the box in the nth state, which is directly proportional to square of the quantum number n. So that relation which is given as this En, which is directly proportional to n square. En is directly proportional to n square. So this is the equation number 6. So that consider as the energy of an electron. Energy of an electron for n state is directly proportional to n square. Okay, so we have to consider here, so for this point we have to consider here summary of the starting for point we have to consider in the three-dimensional space. So that have considered that psi is the function of psi of x y z, and we have to using the Schrödinger time independent equation. Okay, so that using this Schrödinger time independent equation, this type of the space or inside the cubic box, that potential with 0, and by solving this Schrödinger equation we have to finding out the energy state of an nth level orbit which is considered as nth level state. So that energy equation will become here En is equal to pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square into n square. So that is considered as E is directly proportional to n square, and this considered as that energy eigenvalue which is considered as directly proportional to the quantum number of n square. Now next lecture we have to finding here the density of state in 3 dimension. So thanking of you.